Hello, it's Tina and welcome to the Strange But Cool channel. Today, this episode, it's a tutorial teaching you how to make the max for bigger things. So let's begin in a step-by-step way. You will note when you have bought our Sabrina tote, you will receive a kit in it, the Sabrina and Max kit. Read what is on here, because once you take off the sleeve, this is what you have, an origami wallet. And in the wallet are two things necessary to make your max for bigger things. First, the Sabrina leaflet, we'll put that aside. And second, the fabric section that makes up this portion of your max. Now, having these two in hand, let us begin now with step 1. And that is, find your plastic water bottle. It could be this or it could be another plastic container, but bear in mind the circumference must be about the same. Once you have that in hand, the next is to decide on the height of your max base and cut it. Once you've done the cutting, you shall end up with an item like that, and you can see the plastic cut line has made this sharp and a little uneven. So we need to do something to make this safe for you to use and to smoothen it down. And that will be in step 2. Step 2 introduces a hot iron. So this is a hot iron. Think about that in your mind. And all we do is take what you have cut and we press it gently to the hot iron with enough pressure just to melt the top a bit. This will ensure that your final max container base will be much smoother and at the same time safe for you to play with. So if you see here, it's slightly concave and it's smooth. So that will be our base. In step 3, remember what I talked about? The fabric section, that is what we need, because in step 3 we are going to begin the fusing of both. So if I take this and I place it inside out, I am now ready for my next step. Step 4, take the base and put it into our fabric top. Just play around with it to sort of see, this is how I shall align it, and then find the tape section and peel it off so we've got a sticky section here. What one needs to do now is to place it and begin to stick it down, aligning, if you can see, fabric edge to the plastic rim section of the container, and gently press and stick it all the way down, but please do it slowly. So what we've done here is we've done that step almost to a 3/4 mark, and I shall just finish it to show you how it would peel. So we'll peel that all off, and you will note I'm bringing 2 sections together, and I'm going to form what is called a pleat. And as I do that, the pleat is happening here. One thing to note though, I've put this pleat pretty far away from the seam section here. This will allow for easier maneuvering. So once I've done that and I'm happy with the alignment, I shall press all of this down firmly, and I've got this now. Put that here. And in step 5, you will then need your Sabrina leaflet, and in there is the next part. Double-sided tape, peel it off, and decide where your pleat is going to go, left side, right side. I think I've chosen it here. I'll just stick it down this way, firmly peel it off. Woohoo! Firmly, yes, now I've got it. And then stick the pleat down this way. So we look at this, I have a pleat formed, I have the fabric section stuck down very firmly to the plastic base, and the next would be to roll this over. Bring it over, but to do that gently. Never rush, never pull, never tug, everything gentle, and you will begin to ease it up. It takes a little bit of time, but you'll get there. And once that is done, the final product will be, as the top is eased over, This is the max. Open the drawstring, and that is what you have. Pull the drawstring, that is what you have. So here is the max for bigger things. So I'm hoping that when you get your kit, you will be excited to make the max. And I will say happy crafting, and watch this as often as you want till you get the hang of. So happy maxing. And don't forget, like our channel, subscribe to our channel, comment on our channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.